Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button and remember the notification bell because that way you'll be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Just a little different. I'm going to be sharing with you a little mini Goodwill haul, and also in today's video I am going to show you some DIYs that I created using some of those items. So I have a bag of Goodwill goodies and I'm going to share with you some of the items that I picked up. So the first item is this really cute decor box. I thought this was so pretty. It's the perfect size and shape for something that I want to create for my niece's kitchen counter. And this box was originally $4.99, but it was green tag day, so I did get it for 50% off, and I'm going to style this box later on in this video. The next item I have is this really cute decor piece, and I love the shape of this and I love the detailing, not so much the color. This was $2.99, but I thought this would be really pretty if I switch it up. So I am going to clean this item up and style this one as well later on in today's video. And I love the detailing on this piece. And so the next item I'm going to share with you is this really simple, cute tray. And I paid $3.99 for this. It has like the cup holder, I'm assuming, on one side and the tray on the other side. But this is perfect for something that I want to create for my coffee table. So I am going to change this up and style this later on in the video as well. The next item that I'm going to share with you, I'm assuming this was like a bookend for a bookshelf, but I love the detailing of the tulip on the front, and I believe I paid $2.99 for this piece. I'm not going to style this today, but this will be something that I change up in a later video. But it was cute, and so I had to pick it up. So the next item that I'm going to share with you is this shelf. Now, this was originally $1.99, but it had the green tag, so I got this for 50% off. And I like that it has the hanging pieces on the back, and you can also style this in different ways. And I have an idea for this, and this will be something that I use in a later video. But I'm going to get started with the first item that I am going to change up today, and that's that really pretty decor box. So what I'm going to be using is some of my rich black chalk paint, my white Waverly paint, and I'm going to print something from my design space with my Cricut Joy. But what I'm going to do first is just give this box a coat of that rich black paint. And I will be painting this entire box inside and out. And once I get this completely painted, what I'm going to do is get my painter's tape, and I'm just going to tape off the very bottom of the front of this box. I'm only going to paint the front, so I'm just going to add the tape, and then I'm going to use that Waverly white chalk paint, and I'm going to give the bottom of the front 2 coats. And so after I paint this with the 2 coats and it dries, I'm going to remove the painter's tape, and that way I'll have the crisp line. And then what I'm going to do is take the words "Let's Cook" that I printed using my Cricut Joy, and I'm just going to transfer that over to the box to the bottom corner. Now you can use the Dollar Tree letters for this, but I just used my Cricut. And once I get that transfer over, this is complete, and I just styled it with some cookbooks and some utensils, and I think this came out really cute. So I hope you find some inspiration. You can go to the Goodwill. You may not find this exact piece, but you can find something, easily add some paint or some other items and transfer that item to fit your home decor and make it new to you. I think this came out really nice. And so the next item from today's haul that I'm going to style is that really cute decor piece, and I'm going to be using the same color paint choices. So what I'm going to do first is give this a nice coat of that black chalk paint. And what I'm going to do is make sure that I get inside the creases of those details. This was another piece that I thought was really pretty and that you can change it up by giving it a nice paint job and just bringing it up to date a little more. I thought the shape of it was really pretty. The detailing was really nice. And so I thought maybe with some black paint and a little distressing, this can be a really pretty home decor item. So after I finish getting this painted with the black paint, the next thing I'm going to do is take that Waverly White chalk paint and I am just going to dry brush over the part that has the detailing. This piece actually came out really pretty, and for a couple of bucks you can get a really nice high-end decor piece that fits your home decor. And so that's the thing that I say about the Goodwill: finding pieces, changing them up, and once again making them new to you. I really do like how this turned out. I'm actually going to pair this up with a greenery bunch that I picked up at Walmart for $3, and I'm just going to bend the stem up and add it inside of this decor piece. And I think this came out absolutely beautiful. I love how this turned out. Now, how pretty is this for just a couple of bucks and a little paint? I think this is really, really beautiful. And so I'm going to get ready and style the third piece from today's mini haul, and that will be this wood tray. And I'm going to pair this with a few other items. I have one of those pretty shaped vases from the Dollar Tree. This one is probably my favorite vase. I have two bunches of the boxwoods from Walmart for 97 cents. I have some leftover stones from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using these Waverly stencils. These are the ones that have the sticky back. And what I'm going to do first is just give this tray a coat of that white Waverly chalk paint. And then after I get that complete, I'm going to spell out the word home in this tray. And I like these because you can just stick these down and then you can add your paint. After I get the word home spelled out, I'm going to take that rich black chalk paint and I'm going to use the foam brush, and I'm just going to dab right over these letters, making sure that I don't add that much paint, and I'm just going to make sure I cover everything up. And once I get the paint over the stencils, and I'm trying to be careful to not get the paint outside of the letters, what I'm going to do is let it dry a little bit before I pull the stencils up. And I really like finding trays in the Goodwill because I love trays and functional decor. So finding something like this and switching it up and making it fit your decor, I absolutely love it. So after this dries, what I'm going to do is just carefully pull up each one of the stencils. And so after I get all of my stencils pulled up, and I'm just being careful to make sure not to pull up any of that white chalk paint. So once I get all of the stencils pulled up, I am going to start adding in my other decor. And I'm going to take that vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add that inside of the circle opening. And then what I'm going to do is take those stones from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add them inside of the vase. And once I add the stones to the vase, and yes, I spilled them. So once I finally get all of the stones in there, all I have to do is add in my boxwood, and this will be complete. And this was simple, but I really like how it turned out. So simple, so cute, and it has a nice high-end look to it. I hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these items were your favorite. And here is a second look of the other items that I picked up from Goodwill. Thank you all so much for watching my video again. And until next time, friends, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.